Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new shared group of your passwords on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on the passwords. Once you are here, you are going to be asked for your passcode or the Face ID. In my case, this is a passcode. And then if you want to create a new shared group of passwords, just hit the plus right here and then click New Shared Group. So you can select the group name. So in my case, this is going to be the test. And then by hitting the plus below right here, you can add some people. So let's say I want to add this guy right here. And maybe this one right here, or maybe not, maybe this one, or maybe this one, or maybe not. Okay, I'm just going to add this guy right here, because, nothing is working. Then, after adding people, you can add more, obviously. You want to click add and then click create, and from this time, let's wait a second, here you can choose the passwords and passkeys that you would like to move to this group. So share with the people that you have added to this group. So be just cautious while you are sharing your specific passwords. So let's say I want to add this one, or maybe not this one, maybe this, and this, and this, for example. Then I'm going to click move. And now, as you can see, this is the shared group, one member. I can add people to this group. So you can create a group without sharing, but also, as I did right now, but also you can add later people to this group to share those passwords with that people. And from this time, they are going to be right here. I'm just going to delete this group right here. Can I? I cannot. Okay. This is going to be this group right here. So the group that you are going to create is going to be listed right here. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel.